Sometimes you don't need a big trip. Sometimes you don't need a big trip. You just need a place that lets you breathe. You just need a place where you can take a deep breath. Today, I want to show you a quiet place in Hakone. Today, I'll introduce you to a quiet inn in Hakone. This is Hakone Hoshi no Akari. This is Hakone Hoshi no Akari. The moment I arrived, everything slowed down. The moment I arrived, time began to flow slowly. No noise, no rush. No noise, no rush. The room feels warm and simple. The room is very simple, a calming space. Tatami, wood, soft light. Tatami, the scent of wood, gentle light. It feels like the room is welcoming you. It feels like the room is welcoming you. And this is why people come here. And this is the reason people come here. A private onsen with a view. A private onsen where you can enjoy the view. You hear the wind, the birds. You can only hear the sound of the wind, the voices of birds. No phones, no stress. Leave behind the smartphone, the stress. Dinner here is not rushed. Dinner here isn't rushed. Every dish arrives like a small story. Each dish is like a small story. Local ingredients, seasonal flavors. Local ingredients, seasonal flavors. You don't just eat. You experience it. It's not just eating, it's feeling it. At night, the place becomes even quieter. At night, it becomes even quieter. That's probably why it's called Hoshi no Akari. That's probably why it's called Hoshi no Akari. It feels like time pauses here. It feels like time has stopped here. Waking up here feels different. Morning here is special. Fresh air, quiet mountains, clear air, quiet mountains. You start the day calm. The day begins with your mind settled. Breakfast is simple, healthy, and comforting. Breakfast is gentle and good for the body. No rush to leave. No need to rush back. Just enjoy the moment. Just enjoy this time now. Places like this remind me why travel matters. Coming to a place like this reminds me of the meaning of travel. Not for photos, but for peace. Not for photos, but for the heart. If you're tired, this place understands you. If you're tired, this place understands. If you're planning a quiet escape near Tokyo, if you want to quietly get away from Tokyo, Hakone Hoshi no Akari is worth remembering. Hakone Hoshi no Akari is worth remembering. I'll leave the details here.